Hi, today we're going to have a look at how to create a sliding caption effect. So when we mouse over the image, the caption with some description slides on top of the image. So let's go back to our browser. First of all, obviously download the exercise files. You'll find the CSS folder with the core.css file, images folder, which will only contain the transparent.png. All the other images you're gonna have to source from somewhere and obviously adjust the dimensions of it. Then we have index.html file with the structure, the main structure of the HTML page already created. Then we also have JS folder with core.js and the latest at the time of this recording version of jQuery. So now that we are ready, let's start with our index.html. In between the opening and closing body tag, I'm going to close the browser here. We're going to start with the section because we're using HTML5 here. ID wrapper. In between the section tags, we're going to create the unordered list with the ID of images. And we start with the first li tag, and inside of this we're going to have image with the source to our images folder, so images, and I've already have 6 images over there. They are named sequentially, so it's o1.jpg. Then we have alt tag, which will be some image 1 description. Then we will have width, which in my case is 200, height, which is also 200, and then we close image tag. We can copy all this. I'm going to copy this and paste 5 times more. We've got 4, 5, and 6, and I'm just simply going to change the number here to point to the right image, and obviously caption to refer to the same image number. And 6 is the last one. And that's actually everything inside of our index.html. So if we save the file and close it, open the file browser. Now we're going to open the core.css file, and we start with the definition for all tags. So star symbol, margin will be 0, padding 0, border we want none. Then we have outline, none. Then we have color. We will use FFF. Font size, we will use 12 pixels. Then we go for the body tag. And inside of the body tag, we're going to start with font family, which will simply use Arial, Verdana, and sans serif. Then we go for text align. Body will have center, padding 30 from the top and bottom, left and right 0. Line height, we're going to use 20 pixels, and background color we're going to set as 172D3B. Okay, after the body tag, I'm going to create a few new lines here. After the body tag, we have combined definition for wrapper and images. They both will have width of 615 pixels and text align left. Then we have just wrapper, which will have margin 0 from the top and bottom and outer from left and right. Then we go for images, and we're going to apply a line list style none, so we get rid of all those bullet points. Then we have images li, and here we have float left, display block, width we have 200 pixels, height will also be 200 pixels, cursor will be the pointer, then position will be relative, Then we have margin from a top 0, from right 5 pixels, from the bottom 5 pixels, and from left 0. And then the last thing we need to do here is overflow, which will be hidden. Okay, then we have, if I copy this, then we have li span caption. And caption will have width of 160 pixels to allow us to put some padding later on. Height will be 60 pixels, and now padding will have 20 pixels from top, right, bottom, and left. Then we have position absolute, and then we have top. We want 200 pixels, so basically the image is going to be hidden. It's going over the height of the li tag. Left is 0. Color will have FFF, though I don't think we actually have to define this, because we've defined this here for all of the tags, so we can practically remove this. Then we have font style, which will be italic. You obviously don't have to do it. You can use it as normal. Font weight I want to be bold. I also want font size to be slightly larger, so 18 pixels. And then we have background image, URL, images, and we have this transparent GIF, PNG file, and we have repeat and a position 0 and 0. Okay, so that's everything in our CSS file. In the next video, we're going to have a look at our core.js file.